Most drivers think they're taking good care of their car, but what they're really doing is following outdated advice that quietly drains their wallet. These car maintenance lies sound logical, they're repeated everywhere, and they cost drivers thousands over the life of a vehicle. Today we're debunking the biggest ones and replacing them with what actually works. Lie number 1. Ein Wein. You must change your oil every 3,000 miles. This advice comes from decades ago when engines ran looser tolerances and oils broke down faster. Modern engines and synthetic oils are designed to last much longer. Changing oil too early doesn't protect your engine. Ich bei den Staub. Wann gessen dassen dauer. Ich spürse dobrau wide. Schafferberits grufratchen die Raffere. Schafferzo. Wann neji bein waste bein schervald. Sprisset waits money. Follow your manufacturer's oil life monitor or service interval instead. Changing oil at the right time protects internal components without throwing cash away. Lie number 2. Premium fuel makes your car run better. Unless your engine specifically requires premium, using it does absolutely nothing for performance, longevity, or fuel economy. Modern engines automatically adjust timing and fueling based on fuel quality. Paying extra for premium in a regular engine is like buying high-octane fuel for a lawnmower. Over time, this lie alone can cost thousands with zero benefit. Lie number 3. Warming up your engine for several minutes is necessary. This was true for carbureted engines decades ago, but modern fuel-injected engines warm up faster when driven gently. Long idling actually causes carbon buildup, fuel dilution, and unnecessary wear. The correct approach is to start the engine, wait about 20 to 30 seconds, and drive smoothly until operating temperature is reached. Lie number 4. Dealership service is always better. Dealerships are excellent for warranty work and recalls, but they often charge more for basic maintenance using the same procedures and parts as independent shops. Many dealerships upsell services your car does not need yet. A trusted, independent mechanic following manufacturer guidelines can provide equal or better service at a significantly lower cost. Lie number 5. If there's no warning light, nothing is wrong. Modern cars can have serious issues long before a dashboard light turns on. Sensors only trigger warnings when thresholds are crossed, not when damage begins. Low transmission fluid, weak batteries, clogged filters, and worn suspension parts can quietly reduce reliability without setting a code. Preventive inspections catch problems early when they're cheap to fix. Here's another lie many drivers believe. More maintenance is always better. But honestly, over-servicing can actually harm components. Flushing transmissions unnecessarily, using aggressive engine cleaners, or replacing parts too early increases the risk of mistakes and failures. Maintenance should be timely, not excessive. The truth is simple. Car ownership is about informed maintenance, not fear-based service schedules. Manufacturers design vehicles to run efficiently when serviced at the correct intervals. Mechanics who rely on outdated advice aren't protecting your car, they're protecting their revenue. If you stop believing these lies, you don't just save money, your car becomes more reliable, runs cleaner, and lasts longer with fewer breakdowns. Smart maintenance reduces stress, improves safety, and keeps your vehicle on the road for years. If this video helped you see car maintenance differently, subscribe to Gear Specs. It directly helps the channel grow and allows me to keep breaking down real-world car advice that saves you money instead of costing it.